9 affordable cars with luxury interiors. Starting with the BMW 3 Series F30. As you step inside, you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit. Everything is angled slightly toward you, giving it that true BMW feel. The materials feel solid, with soft-touch surfaces and optional leather seats that instantly give off a premium vibe. Next up, the Mercedes C-Class W205. This is where things start to feel seriously luxurious. As soon as you enter, the ambient lighting and turbine-style air vents stand out. The center screen gives it a modern look even years later. The seats are extremely comfortable, perfect for long drives, and overall, this car focuses more on comfort than sportiness. Next, we have the Audi A4. The Audi A4 takes a different approach. Instead of flashy design, you get a clean and minimal interior. Everything feels well built, tight, and solid, exactly what you expect from Audi. And then the Volkswagen Golf, simple, modern, and very user-friendly. The Golf MK7 offers one of the cleanest interiors in this segment, with a digital display and higher trims. It's not flashy, but it's very well put together. The Ford Focus Titanium Edition. The Focus gives you a lot of features for the price. You get a touchscreen, a sporty steering wheel, and a surprisingly premium feel in the titanium version. The Mazda 3, sporty and stylish. The Mazda 3 has one of the best-looking interiors in its class. The floating screen and minimal design make it feel modern even today. Volvo V40, Scandinavian design at its best. Clean, comfortable, and focused on safety, this interior feels calm and premium. Peugeot 308. A very unique interior with a small steering wheel and minimal layout. It feels modern, but it's not for everyone. Hyundai i30. One of the most underrated options. Modern interior, lots of tech, and great value for money. Those were 9 luxury cars you can buy on a budget. Let me know in the comments, which one would you pick?